Hey guys, in this video we're going to talk about that maintenance required light that keeps going on. That's so annoying. I'm going to show you some basic stuff you need to know about checking your car oil, checking the filters, checking all kinds of stuff. I'm going to teach you a little bit about everything. Don't forget to like, share, subscribe. Let's get to the video. Look at that engine oil. Let's go. Hey guys, welcome back to your review channel. Now, if you have a Toyota or a Lexus and this dim maintenance light is coming on, I'm going to show you what to do about it. I'm going to show you how to reset it. But before we do that, instead of, how they have to change the oil every 5,000 miles, this light comes up all the time. This every time you start the car, this keeps coming up every single time. It is annoying. So I'm going to show you how to shut it off. And it has around 5,000 miles on the car. Should you change the oil every 5,000, every 10,000? They recommend 10,000. Everybody says 5,000. I don't know. It's really controversial. I'm going to show you the oil. I'm going to show you a few different things you should do if you're doing it yourself. Some basic maintenance. If you're not going to change the oil, at least do some of these things. Let me tell you a little bit of what I suggest you should do. So before we set this this meter, I'm going to show you how to reset this in the menu. Stick with me. I'm going to show you a few things you should look at. I'm going to look at the oil together. I'm going to show you about the tires. I'm going to show you about the you should check the air pressure. Also, you should check the windshield fluid. This is the things that they would do. Check the brake fluid, things like that. All right, let's get to the video. Okay, so the first thing you should do is also always check your air pressure in your tire. They all should be even around 32 PSI. You can check online and put your car in, make and model, and you can check that as well and see which one your car does. But with this Lexus RX 350, it is 32 rear and front. That is very important. So make sure you fill those tires up evenly. That way you get the proper wear in the tires and also the best miles per gallon. Very important. Second thing is you want to look at your tread wear. You want to make sure it's evenly, the tread wear is even across the platform here, across the plane. It is running a little bit here on this side here. It's towing out a little bit. I have to get this alignment done. You can tell this is definitely towing out a little bit. You can just see how this is curving a little bit. So I got to get this aligned. I don't want the tires to wear out faster than they should. You can also get a tire meter or a measurer to check the thickness of the thread. Sometimes a dime will work. These are newer tires. They only have like maybe 5,000 miles on these tires, 7,000. So these tires are pretty new. So these are rated for 50,000, so we'll see how that goes. It should be okay. So check the pressure, check your threads, and you can see here a little bit here, just a little wear over here, and we're going to get this aligned very, very soon. Definitely should look into that. But you can just see the thread wear looks decent, but just a little bit over here, so we're going to get that. Hasn't been aligned yet at all, so that's one thing you should do. Next thing you should do, let's take a look at the next thing. Next thing you should do, check your brake fluid. Now, I did videos on this, how to change the brake fluid. I'll leave a link at the end of this video. There'll be a card at the end of this video. I just replaced the fluid. I didn't bleed it. I just changed it for fresh fluid. I think it's a good idea. You can, take it to the dealership. They want to bleed it. It's a few $100s. I just recommend just draining out the old, putting in some fresh fluid, and that'll get you up to par where it should be. Second thing is the battery. Now, the battery, a good friend of mine says to me, you know what, you should add water to the battery, because every 3 to 4 years, my battery was dying. And the reason why is because, you think these are sealed, but these are not. These come off. Again, I made a video how to add water to your battery. I'll leave a video for that as well. So you can add water to these batteries and they'll extend the life another 2 to 3 years. You should get 3 to 5 to 7 years out of these batteries. I've been getting 3 to 4. Why? The battery, the water, and the acid would evaporate. The cells would die. Simple things, guys. This is just simple things. Changing the fluids, keeping up with the battery. This is the first time I had this battery over 4 years. I always die after 3.5 years. Changing the air filter, super easy to do yourself. These are all really easy things to do. Now, I did make a video on how to change the air cabin, the filter on this as well. I'll leave a link for that. So all the links will be in this video. It'll be in the body of the video. So check out the text. Also, I'll leave some product links. So if you're looking for all these different products that you need, like filters and brake fluid and all that kind of stuff, I'll leave links for everything at the end of the cards. You'll see things popping up throughout the video. So you can definitely get these. Change these things yourself. Only 2 clips, guys. 2 clips. Change the air filter yourself. Super easy to do. I did a cabin filter. I'll leave all the links and all the basic maintenance for your car, at least for the Lexus RX 350. This is a 22, just to let you know. So this is where your oil stick is right here. It's like a little tour. This is where you put your antifreeze in. This is super hot, so I wouldn't do it now. And I didn't check that. We'll check that another time. This is how we'll check the oil. We'll check the oil in a few minutes. We'll look at that. Here is where you put your windshield washer fluid. So these are another thing that you should do on your own. Really simple to do. You just open this up, fill it up with that windshield fluid, and really, really easy. Now, the next thing we're going to do, and after we fill this up, is we're going to check the oil. We're going to look at it together, and you let me know if you think this should be changed after about 5,500 miles. Should I change it now, or should I wait to 10,000 miles? Leave me some comments down below. Tell me what you think. There's so much controversy out about this. Change it now, change it later. Everyone says change it every 5,000, every 3,000. There's so much controversy for these cars. And the factory says every 10,000. I think 10,000 personally is a push. It's a lot of wear and tear on the engine. I don't think it's a good idea. This is a V6, so this doesn't have a turbo. So this can handle a little bit more mileage on it because it doesn't have that. It doesn't run super hot. It doesn't have the turbo. So we'll have to see how that works. But geez, I don't know, man. Leave me some comments, guys. What do you think? All right, let's fill this up. Let's check the oil together. And let me know what you have. Let me know what you think, guys. So leave me some comments down below. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe if you enjoyed this type of video. It means a lot to me. I really, really do. Well, so basically just get your fluid and just fill it up until it gets to the top, the area, and then you're good to go. Really easy. All right, didn't need much because I don't use it that often, so that takes care of that. So you can see how easy it is to maintain your car. You don't have to go crazy. And let's check the oil together and see how that looks. And let's see, let's take a look. Okay, guys, so I have a clean napkin, a white napkin, so we can see together. First you want to do is just pull the dipstick out first. And you want to clean it off. You want to get a clean reading out of the engine. Let's take this out. Let's take that, let's put it back in, let's get a reading. Let's take a look at the oil itself. That's really the main thing here. So let's see together. So oil doesn't look bad. It is sitting on an angle, so it runs a little low because it's sitting on an angle, but I did check it, it was level and it was pretty full. It's a little dirty. Needs definitely, I think, now what do you guys think? Now I'm gonna put on the napkin and you can see more of the dirt on the napkin. This oil is synthetic, so it should be crystal clear. So you can see some of the mineral buildup. So that's one way of doing it on a white napkin. Another test you can do is feel it with your fingers. Feel there's any grit. Another test that a lot of mechanics do. You can feel it with your fingers. You can just feel it here. It's definitely dirty. It's no question. Smell it. See if you can smell oil. See if you can smell gas. Those are those tall tale signs of that there's needs to be changed for sure. So I can smell. Definitely can smell. You can smell the engine. So you can smell the engine. You can smell the wear a little bit. You can just get. So I think this should be changed. It's not the worst. I've seen much dirtier. I've seen black. Again, it's got 5,500 miles since the last synthetic oil change. So I'm gonna say I'm gonna change it. What do you guys think? Give me some. Give me your feedback. Give me your thoughts. One more time. I'm gonna show you what it looks like. Hopefully you can see. You can get a good shot of that. Hopefully you can see. It should be totally clear. I mean, it looks good, but it does definitely have, you can just see the dirt on here. You can just see it. It definitely should be changed. I think it should. I mean, what do you guys think? I use the napkin test. That's how I do it. And you can see it does have some dirt and some minerals. And I can smell a little bit of the gas, a little bit of the oil in the oil, but not terrible. So it's decent. The car's not burning oil at all. It's only got 36,000 miles on it, so it's just broken in really. So that's really an easy way of checking. So guys, what do you think? Let me know. Leave me some comments. Don't forget to like, share, subscribe if I brought you a little bit of value. Definitely fill up the windshield fluids on yourself. Check the oil. The transmission sealed. You can't do that. Don't fool around with this unless you know what you're doing with the radiator, okay? Because you got to be very, very careful with that. Do the battery, change these caps, come off pretty easy. I'll leave a link for that. Change this air cabin, this filter, and also a cabin filter I did as well. I'll leave all the videos are all made for that. And also change your brake fluid. I think these are all really good maintenance things to do, especially with this engine. It's a fantastic engine. Love this car and fantastic. Okay, guys, that's it. That's my quick video. Engine oil, you use a 0W20. That's so thin today. Unbelievable how thin this oil is today. It's ridiculous. Just crazy. Back in the day, we used to use 10W30, 20W50. Now it's 0W20. Absolutely insane. Okay, guys, to reset the message on your car, you don't want to start the car. You just want to hit it twice. So once, so it gets it into this pre-start mode. Hit the button again, and it starts the accessories or the auxiliary. So once you go there, you want to hit that button on the right side to maintenance required of your dash of your steering wheel, and then hit that once, and then now you're into the menu. You have to do that. That's every single time I start the car. This is what I got to do, which is ridiculous. Okay. Then you want to navigate down to the gear icon. Let's see if we can find the gear icon. Let's try to do this together. Yeah, maintenance required. We know. That's the gear icon. Yeah, okay, I got that. Vehicle settings. So vehicle settings, go to that. Schedule maintenance, see schedule maintenance, and hit the center button. Go to that. Reset data. See that? Reset data, say yes. Hit reset, yes. The data has been reset. So now that won't go on anymore. Thank God. So, okay, so let's get out of that. Let's get out of that. And let's shut everything back where it was. I like it over here. Let me stop the car. Shut it off. Start the car. And see, that should be gone. Let's hope so. Cross your fingers. RX, and that should do it. Okay, guys, so you saw how to do that. So, okay, it's gone. So that is reset. So that'll come back on again in 5,000 miles. That's the idea behind it. Okay, guys, I appreciate you watching. Hopefully I brought you a little bit of value, a little bit of insight about doing these things on your own. It's not difficult. It's not hard. And take a look at your car. Check your engine oil. That's one of the best things you can do is change your oil in your vehicle. It's the most healthiest thing you can do. Twice a year, probably recommended as the car gets a little bit older. And I would recommend, definitely once it gets to the 40, 50,000 mile range, definitely every 5,000 religiously. Keep it up, keep it clean, and keep yourself always updated with everything. And you'll be much, much happier. You'll save us a ton of money with fuel bill, much more money with engine repairs, and you'll have less problems overall. So that's what I have for you guys. Hope you enjoyed. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. And I'll see you next time